Travel is one of the greatest luxuries in life. But let's be honest, looking put together at the airport can feel harder than it should be. Today, we're talking about carry-on bags that aren't just TSA and FAA size approved, not just functional, but genuinely stylish. Today, we're talking about carry-on bags that aren't just TSA and FAA size approved, not just functional, but genuinely stylish. But here's the thing I want you to listen for. There's one travel bag mistake almost every traveler makes without realizing it. I'll tell you exactly what that mistake is later, so keep an ear out for that. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Rimowa Original Cabin. If there's one carry-on bag that basically defines luxury airport style, it's the Rimowa Original Cabin suitcase. The reason this bag has become an icon isn't just the brushed aluminum hard shell, although yes, it looks incredibly sleek. The real magic is the engineering. Rimowa is FAA and TSA carry-on compliant at around 21.7 by 15.8 by 9.1 inches, meaning it glides smoothly into the overhead bin of most major airlines worldwide. No awkward pushing, no gate check stress. What makes it especially loved among travel experts is its incredibly lightweight aluminum alloy body and its silent ball-bearing wheels. You can literally push this thing with one finger through the airport. Inside, you get compression panels that actually work. They hold everything in place, even if you're the type to pack your entire wardrobe, just in case. Plus, Rimowa ages beautifully. Every dent becomes part of its character, not a flaw. This is the bag you see celebrities carrying in paparazzi airport photos, and there's a reason for that. It's durable enough for constant travel, but stylish enough to feel intentional. If you want timeless luxury in motion, this is the one. Another often overlooked advantage of the Rimowa is repairability. Unlike many mass-produced luggage brands, where a cracked wheel or broken handle basically means the end of the bag, Rimowa has dedicated repair service centers around the world. Whether you're in Tokyo, Paris, or New York, chances are good you can walk into a Rimowa boutique and have parts replaced on the spot. This is a key reason why frequent flyers consider the Rimowa not as a simple purchase, but as an investment in long-term travel efficiency. Travelers who value reliability tend to favor products that are built to last, and this is one of the few carry-on suitcases engineered with that in mind. And yes, it does turn heads in the airport, but it remains sophisticated rather than loud, which is part of its magic. Number 2. The Away Bigger. Carry on. Away became famous because it understood the modern traveler. The bigger carry-on fits the standard US airline carry-on restrictions, depending on the airline, measuring about 22.7 by 14.7 by 9.6 inches. It's lightweight, TSA lock approved, and comes with a built-in compression system that legit doubles your packing space if you're strategic. And let's talk about the removable battery. One of the most frustrating airport situations is having your phone at 3% right when you need your boarding pass. This solves that beautifully. Away uses a lightweight polycarbonate shell, so it's durable but not heavy. And the colors, they're aesthetic. Chic neutrals, earthy tones, seasonal drops. There's a vibe for every traveler. This bag has become the if you know carry-on of stylish travelers who want cool, understated luxury without paying hard luxury pricing. Practical, elegant, reliable. Another thing that sets the Away Bigger carry-on apart is how thoughtfully the interior layout is designed. The compression pad and straps don't just press your clothes down, they keep everything organized, which is incredibly helpful if you're hopping on and off flights. And the removable laundry bag. So useful, it keeps dirty clothes separate without taking any extra space. One of the reasons travel influencers favor Away is because it looks polished in travel photos, minimal, modern, and cohesive, but it also performs. And the shell, although lightweight, is surprisingly resistant to scratches and impact. If you're the type who wants a bag that doesn't require babying but still looks refined, Away hits that balance beautifully. Number 3. The Tumi Alpha 3 International Expandable Carry-On. Tumi is the brand that business travelers swear by, and honestly, there's a reason. The Tumi Alpha 3 is TSA and FAA friendly at about 22 by 14 by 9 inches, and it has an expandable zipper that lets you sneak in a little extra room when needed. The ballistic nylon exterior is one of the best materials ever used in travel gear. It's ultra-durable, weather-resistant, and basically impossible to scuff. The wheels are smooth, the telescoping handle doesn't wobble, and the front pockets make it easy to grab your laptop or passport fast. But what makes Tumi feel premium is its organization. Everything has a place. Every feature feels intentional. And yes, the Tumi tracking system is a lifesaver if you ever misplace your luggage. There's something about Tumi that says, I travel well, I travel often, and I travel efficiently. One subtle but meaningful detail is how well the Tumi Alpha 3 works with business travel wardrobes. The shape fits suits, pressed trousers, or structured outfits without wrinkling them as aggressively as cheap soft-sided bags do. There's even a garment folder variation designed specifically for that purpose. And Tumi's handles are some of the most comfortable in the industry. They don't dig into your palm even when the bag is fully packed. It's these incremental enhancements that make the experience feel elevated. People who travel weekly or monthly tend to prioritize efficiency over trendy aesthetics, and Tumi has become the unofficial uniform of those who move with purpose. It communicates poise, calmness, and readiness. Number 4. The Longchamp Le Pliage Travel Bag, Large. This is the bag stylish women from Paris to Tokyo swear by. The Le Pliage travel bag in large is IATA and TSA compliant when used as a personal item or soft carry-on bag. The nylon is strong but feather light. The leather trim keeps it elegant, and the foldable design makes it amazing for multi-destination trips. It's the perfect throw everything in but still look polished travel tote. People love using this over a suitcase when they're doing short weekend flights or staying somewhere where rolling luggage is annoying, like cobblestoned European cities or remote island resorts. It fits under the seat on most airlines or above without fuss. This is quiet luxury travel energy. No screaming logos, just effortless sophistication. What also makes this bag exceptional is how versatile it is off the plane. It transitions seamlessly into a work bag, a gym bag, a day bag, or even a chic shopping tote. It folds flat, so it's ideal as a backup bag inside your luggage on international trips, something seasoned travelers always do. Its simplicity allows it to pair with everything from linen trousers to a blazer to a soft airport sweater. And because it's not rigid, it adapts to however much you need to carry that day. Many travelers own multiple Le Pliage in different sizes because they simply work. It's a piece you grow with. Number 5. The Briggs Riley Béis Domestic Carry-On Spinner. Briggs & Riley is known for one thing: a lifetime unlimited repair guarantee. If anything breaks, they fix it, no conditions. That alone makes it one of the smartest investments on this list. This bag is perfectly FAA size, approved at 22 by 14 by 9 inches. But what makes it special is the compression expansion system. Unlike most bags that just unzip for extra height and become too big for airline requirements, Briggs & Riley expands upward and compresses back down to standard carry-on size while holding the expanded space. It's clever engineering at its finest. One more advantage is that Briggs & Riley bags tend to look timeless. They're not designed around trends, so you can use one for 10 years and it will never feel outdated. And because the brand focuses on function over flash, it's trusted by pilots, flight attendants, and travel writers, people who know what travel really demands. The interior compartments are deep and straightforward, so packing never feels complicated. If you value durability, structural integrity, and a lifetime guarantee that actually means something, this brand belongs on your radar. Number 6. The Béis Carry-On Roller. Let's talk about a bag that is aesthetic, modern and affordable, but still engineered with intention. Béis, designed by Shay Mitchell, created a carry-on bag that is TSA/FAA compliant and built around convenience. The measurements average 22 by 14 by 9, depending on batch production, so it fits overhead without issue. What makes this bag stand out is its built-in weight indicator. You lift the handle and it tells you if the bag is too heavy. No more stress at the airport scale. The interior pockets are also incredibly thoughtful, with laundry sleeves, elastic compartments, and water-resistant pockets. And stylistically, Béis has that chic, minimalist, influencer-approved vibe. If you want something beautiful but practical, and not 4 figures, this is the one. What many people love about Béis is the aesthetic identity. It's cool, youthful, and polished without trying too hard. It looks modern. Matte finishes, tonal hardware, no loud branding. The interior feels thoughtfully designed for real travel needs rather than just visual appeal. And the telescoping handle has multiple height adjustments, which is incredibly helpful if you're tall or petite. The bag works with the traveler, not against them. That alone makes it worth appreciating. Number 7. The Calpak Ambeur Carry-On. Calpak is one of those brands that blends fashion and function beautifully. The Ambeur Carry-On features a metallic polycarbonate shell that looks luxurious but weighs almost nothing. It meets TSA carry-on guidelines and tends to slide into overhead bins without a fight. What travelers love about this bag is how stunning it looks in real life. The gloss finish photographs beautifully. If you travel frequently and like your luggage to look like a curated outfit piece, not just a practical tool, you'll appreciate this one. It's affordable, stylish, and reliable, especially for city and vacation travel. Calpak also stands out for the way it balances price and performance. It's durable enough to use regularly, but affordable enough that you don't feel anxious about minor scuffs. And because the Ambeur collection features soft gold tone trims and a sleek silhouette, it photographs beautifully, which is a big reason it appears frequently in travel lifestyle content. Another plus, Calpak often releases seasonal colors and limited editions, making your bag feel slightly more unique. If you want stylish travel gear that feels personal, Calpak delivers. Number 8. The Paravel Aviator Carry-On. Paravel is the eco-luxury travel brand of the moment. The Aviator Carry-On is climate neutral and made from recycled materials, including recycled aluminum, recycled polycarbonate, and even recycled vegan leather. And yes, it's fully FAA and TSA carry-on compliant. But here's what makes Paravel stand out. It looks rich. The detailing is elegant. The trim feels old money. It comes in refined tonal colorways that don't feel trend-driven or loud. The interior is smartly designed with compression pads and flexible packing pockets, which experts love. Beyond sustainability, Paravel excels in organization. The compression board and structured pockets make packing intuitive. And because the brand approaches design from a luxury fashion perspective, the bag looks elegant from every angle. It's the kind of luggage that quietly says, "I care about quality," without announcing it. If your travel style leans toward well-curated, thoughtful, and refined, Paravel is aligned with that lifestyle beautifully. Number 9. The Cuyana Triple Zipper Weekender. Sometimes rolling luggage isn't the vibe, especially for short flights, romantic weekend trips, or flights where you want something soft and chic. The Cuyana Triple Zipper Weekender fits within Airline carry-on personal item dimensions while still holding a surprising amount. The triple zipper organization system keeps clothes separate from tech and shoes separate from essentials. The leather trim and structured silhouette make it look elegant, not sporty. It's the kind of bag you walk through the airport with and people notice. Cuyana is known for the philosophy of fewer better things, and this weekender embodies that mindset. The leather trim softens and ages gracefully, forming a patina that looks elevated over time. The organization system is intuitive. It's easy to pack and even easier to unpack, which is key when you're moving quickly through terminals. This is a bag that signals ease, confidence, and intentionality. It's ideal for the traveler who values simplicity executed at a high level. Number 10. The Brics Bellagio carry-on. Italian design meets travel efficiency. The Brics Bellagio carry-on is FAA carry-on compliant and features a polycarbonate shell with Tuscan leather trim. It looks expensive, and it is, but the craftsmanship is impeccable. The wheels glide smoothly. The interior is thoughtfully organized. And visually, it has that old-school European travel romance that feels timeless. Think Amalfi Coast. Think Lake Como. Think sipping espresso in the airport lounge, wearing sunglasses indoors. This is travel as an aesthetic lifestyle, not just a necessity. The Bellagio also brings a sense of story to travel. It feels reminiscent of the golden age of travel, when flying was glamorous and people dressed up for the experience. Yet the engineering is modern, with smooth wheels, reinforced edges, and lightweight construction. It blends nostalgia and innovation seamlessly. If your travel wardrobe leans polished and romantic, this bag is the perfect finishing touch. Earlier, I said there was one travel bag mistake most people make without even realizing it. Here it is. Most travelers buy a bag that is either too large or too heavy before it's even packed. They assume bigger is better, or if it looks durable, it's probably heavy. But the truth is this: a carry-on needs to be lightweight before you fill it. Because airlines don't just limit the dimensions, they also limit weight. And overweight luggage fees are brutal. Even if your bag fits the size, if it's too heavy once packed, you'll either be forced to remove items or check the bag, which defeats the purpose. So, the rule to remember: the perfect carry-on is one that balances strength with weightlessness and style with subtlety. All 10 bags we discussed meet airline requirements, are TSA/FAA approved in sizing, and are recommended by travelers who understand the art of moving gracefully. Travel is stressful enough. Your luggage shouldn't be. Whether you prefer the quiet luxury of Paravel, the iconic engineering of Rimowa, or the effortless chic of Longchamp, your carry-on should make you feel like the most composed version of yourself. It should move with you, not against you. And when you invest in a bag that fits the overhead bin, glides across terminals, and complements your personal style, you're not just traveling, you're traveling well. Between weight limits, cramped overhead bins, and the chaos of boarding, your carry-on bag can make or break the entire trip. Choose quality. Choose elegance. Choose ease. So tell me, which of these bags will you be carrying for your next trip? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.